Hi, this is Ashraf, structural engineer and BIM expert. I have 10 years plus experience in structural engineering field. Besides, I am doing building information modeling with Revit definitely. So, for the last couple of years, I have been serving and gathering knowledge in design and construction of buildings in Dallas, Texas. I used to analyze and design in RISA-3D, ETABS, SAP 2000, StatPro and SAFE. And for building information modeling, I do in Revit and Civil 3D. And design code, definitely I design ACI, ASC, PNBC, IBC and NBC. So let's jump to our topic after the intro. Today I will talk about a 7.5 story building, and for presentation I separate my topic in two sections. One is the BIM and another is analysis and design. So it's basically a 1500 square feet land, small and tiny land, and there are some challenges from the clients and the structure itself. Here, the most important was the maintain functionality and fulfill the client's requirement. Revit helps here many ways. For example, when I work in a floor, then I use underlay command. If I go here, the hidden line, and I just go here, the underlay, the first floor, then it helps us to look at exactly the where I drawn the down or upper floor lines. And another is to sandbox, which helps me a lot, and definitely to the client especially. This presentation helps client to understand the real picture scenario, or it has to visualize client what actually it will be look like. So from this section, the both floor in the functions is easily observed, and it is easily understandable, I think. Okay, and this is the full story. And the Revit helps me a lot for presenting this structure. I mean section, elevation, and others. I just do the 3D model and all other the schedule, the material schedule, for example, door, window, wall, and other schedule I get automatically. For example, if I go to the wall schedule, so here every piece of wall here according to the origin of the wall length, volume, the door schedule, the window schedule, so all are here. So it's very helpful to calculate the volume, the materials takeoff, and the cost analysis as well. Okay, let's jump to the structural analysis. Among the RISA-3D and ETABS, I use ETABS for this project because for modeling building, it's very easy in this software. At first, I did the column layout only for the two row, the side row. This row was not exist very first time. It's a very tiny space, and I use every inches that I told earlier. So it's not that much big that I can shift the column by 1 feet or 2 feet. It will not affect, but it is a very crucial. Okay, so after the column layout finalized, when I analyze and I found the sway of the structure, and it's governed by seismic actually. Yes, it's already the structural, the 3D or massing telling that it will be weak in x-axis. Y-axis is stronger, but x-axis is too tough. So at first I did full modeling with all the frame, then I did with the core, and finally I did with the core and the frame. I'm telling about this yellow one. So this is the section, means elevation. So one kind of section I can say. The yellow one is our lift core, and the left one is just frame. So by this I design it, and the two stair here, the two stair, one is the main stair and this is the duplex stair, and connection of the duplex stair was very complicated, and where it be start from and how it will connected with the downstairs, it's very complicated. And definitely for Revit it helps me for visualize, for understanding, and definitely for the working drawing as well. Okay, let's see some picture or gather some picture for this presentation, this 3D, and from the same perspective we are watching the 3D model. I already shown it, and this is the view from where I able to watch both for simultaneously. And this is the bending moment diagram. It's a dead load and seismic load combination, and these are the section. Actually this kind of section I got from Revit just as like byproduct I can say, and after completion the full modeling of this project I did the rendering work. Okay, this is the outlook of this building. This is the duplex portion, the left portion. This is the way to go main stair, and this is duplex stair to go upstairs. It's just one bed, child bed. Thank you for being with us for this presentation, and I will show you another video with RISA-3D maybe for another project. Thank you.